Hello, my name is Yasira Hotep, and I am um, I guess you could say, the leader of the global Kemetic Yoga movement. And right now, what we are doing is a challenge called 42 Days of Ma'at Ka. And so that means that Kemetic Yoga teachers and practitioners all over the world I have been engaged in doing a sequence of one of our core Kinetic Yoga practices called Ma'at Ka for 42 days. And so what I'm going to do is teach this sequence so that anybody who is interested in doing it would have the instructions on how to perform this particular sequence. And it's a flow sequence that energizes your mind, your body, creates a movement of energy throughout your being, rejuvenates your spine, stimulates your organs of digestion and elimination to function better, opens up your neck. It opens up all the meridians, the energy channels throughout your body. This is a sequence that was given to me sort of on a energetic or spiritual level when I was visiting Egypt about 20 years ago or more, and the sequence came to me when I was just practicing, doing my yoga practices next to the Nile River in the city, which is now called Luxor, in the central part of Egypt, or Kemet. And so, so we're going to go through Ma'at Ka. The word Ma'at means balance. It means harmony. It means justice. It means reciprocity. It means order. And so what it really signifies is the idea that all of those principles, order, balance, justice, reciprocity, harmony, so on and so forth, all of those principles are manifested in Ma'at, and that we as individuals living on the planet Earth, we should be striving to live our lives in harmony with this principle of Ma'at. Okay? So I'm going to demonstrate the sequence, and I'm going to give you the instructions so that you can practice and get the benefits from this. Get the benefits from doing this sequence. And so, what else? That's about it. So just follow me. We're going to do it on both sides. Okay. We do both sides of the body. When I do it, I'm going to turn one direction, and I'm going to turn in the opposite direction so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay? So we begin with our preparation stance. Preparation stance means that your two big toes touch together with the heels slightly separated. We keep the legs straight, we lift the chest, we lower the shoulders, and we are going to take the hands and place them into fists. We call this Kinetic Fist. And so we fold the fingers into the palm. We place the thumb on top of the fingers, and we do that on both hands. And then we're going to start off with this posture working on the left side of the body. So that means that the left leg, the left foot, the left leg is going to extend forward. So we're going to stride forward with the left foot, meaning that we're operating from the right side of the brain. So we bend the knees slightly, we tuck the hips, and we shift the weight into the right foot. And then with the inhalation of the breath, we lift the left knee as high as it can go. With the exhalation of the breath, we extend the leg and we lower the heel and touch the heel to the ground. And once the heel touches the ground, we transfer the weight into the left foot. We free the back foot, the right foot, and we search for our proper distancing and positioning. And then we open up the hands, go into what we call Kinetic Palms. We rotate the arms out to the side, and we extend out and lift up as we breathe in, up till the arms come 3/4 of the way up. And then with the exhalation, we bring the hands together. With the inhalation, we tilt the head halfway back. With the exhalation, we release the neck, we allow the head to go back. As we breathe in, we bring the head straight. As we exhale, we bend forward. We try to touch the fingertips to the mat. We breathe in and we rise back up. All of our motion is from the waist. With the exhalation, we release the neck and we allow the head to go back. With the inhalation, we bring the head up straight. We let the back of the hands come together and we exhale. We breathe in and we exhale to the right. We turn the palms to the right and we breathe in again. And as we exhale, we bend the arms at right angles. We breathe in. As we exhale, we turn the head to the left. Open up all the vertebrae of the neck. Stimulate the glands and organs in the throat. As we inhale, we turn the head to the center. And as we exhale, we turn the head to the right. And then we turn the head again, bring the chin over the chest. And as we are breathing in, we allow the body to turn to the front. As we are exhaling, we bring the hands together in front of the chest. We bend, we come up on the left heel. Okay, we bend the right knee and we shift the hips back. We breathe in, and as we are exhaling, we bend from the waist. Open up the muscles in the back of the left leg, and then we put the hands down to the big toe. We bend the arms slightly towards the chest. When we come up, we move from the waist. We try not to strain the neck or the shoulders or the back. Once the back is straight, we exhale. We place both feet flat, both legs straight. And then we're breathing in and we extend the arms up. As we exhale, we release the neck. We allow the head to go back. We breathe in and we bring the head up straight. We let the back of the hands come together and we exhale. We make a straight line from fingertip to fingertip. We shift the hips back. We bring the body parallel with the ground. We breathe in and we exhale and we rotate. We stiffen the left hand. We place it to the inside of the left foot. And we turn for leverage. Turn the head and look up at the right hand. Open up the neck. A nice twisting motion in the spine to open up all the vertebrae of the spine, like getting the chiropractic treatment. And then we turn the body over the floor and we breathe in and then we exhale. We breathe in and we exhale, the palms together, imagining that we have a big ball of energy between the palms that we're compressing down into a small ball of energy. And then with our inhalation, the arms go up. With the exhalation, the head goes back. Breathe in and bring your head up straight. Let the back of your hands come together. Exhale, make a straight line from fingertip to fingertip. Breathe in, exhale, the arms down, and then make your fist. Bend your left knee. And then use your inhalation to elevate your right knee, pointing your right foot towards the floor. And then slowly exhale, placing your right big toe next to your left big toe. And then lower your right heel down so that both your feet are evenly together, perfectly in alignment. Okay? Now breathe in and breathe out. Now, you're going to do the same position on the opposite side. I'm going to turn so you can see me. You don't have to turn, but if you need to see your device or your computer, then you can do that too. Now, I'm doing it on this side so you're able to see my body turn towards you. So this time we're going to work the left side of the body. Whatever we do on one side of the body, we have to do the same thing on the opposite side. So the feet are together. We tuck the pelvis and we slightly bend the knees. And we let the weight sink into the bottom of the feet, into the bottom of the left foot. And now with the inhalation, the right knee is going to rise up. High as it can go, flex the foot, and then exhale and engage those thigh muscles. Lower the right heel to the floor. Shift the weight into the right foot. Then adjust your left foot and find your balance. Open up your hands. Rotate your arms. Use your inhalation to elevate the arms 3/4 of the way up. Use your exhalation to bring your hands together. Use your inhalation to tilt your head halfway back. Use your exhalation to release your neck and allow your head to go back. Open up the throat. Stimulate the glands and organs in the throat. And then breathe in and bring your head up straight. Let the back of your hands come together. And then exhale. Breathe in. Slowly turn to your left. As you are exhaling, turn your palms to the left and breathe in. Exhale and let your arms bend, making a right angle, making the cow position. Breathe in. Slowly let your head turn to the right. Open up the vertebrae of your neck. Stimulate the glands and organs in your throat. Feel the energy move. Breathe in and turn your head over your chest. Exhale. Look towards your left. Line up your chin with your chest. Breathe in and turn your body forward. Slowly exhale and bring your palms together in front of your chest. Come up on your right heel. Shift your hips back. Breathe in. Exhale and bend down. Feel those muscles in the back of your right leg opening up. Your right hip opening up. Your spine opening up. Let your hands come down and touch your big toe. Bend the arms slightly back towards the chest. But do not hunch your back, do not hunch your shoulders. When you inhale, come up from your waist, slowly breathing in coordination with the rise of your body. As you exhale, put both your feet flat, both of your legs straight. With your inhalation of your breath, extend the arms up above the head. With the exhalation of your breath, release your neck and allow your head to go back. Slowly breathe in and bring your head up straight. Let the back of your hands come together and then exhale, make a straight line. Breathe in, exhale, your body parallel with the floor. Inhale, exhale and rotate. Keep your arms straight. Stiffen your right hand, lock it to the inside of your right foot. Turn your head. Open up your neck. Look up towards your left hand. Bring your body parallel with the floor. Breathe in and rise up. Exhale and bend your arms. Breathe in. Exhale. Bring your palms together. Breathe in and elevate your arms above your head. Exhale and let your head go back. Breathe in and let your head come up. Let the back of your hands come together and then exhale. Breathe in. Exhale your arms down. Bring your hands into fist, Kinetic Fist. Bending your right knee. And as you inhale, bring the left foot up. Exhale, the left big toe next to your right big toe. And then lower both your feet flat together. And breathe in and breathe out. And then release your fingers, release your arms, your elbows, your wrists, and your fingers. Let your arms go from side to side. Okay? And that is Ma'at Ka, M-A-A-T-K-A on both sides of the body. And so you should practice this every day. Ideally, you want to try to do it 3 times. Try to do 3 repetitions on each side. Then you can join the challenge of 42 days of Ma'at Ka. The reason why it is 42 is because there are 42 principles of Ma'at. Because Ma'at governs behavior, Ma'at governs spiritual development. And so some of the principles of Ma'at is things like, I have not killed, I have not stolen, I have not been dishonest. Moral principles that we try to live by. There was also 42 divisions, sort of like regions of Kemet. That's like we have 50 states in the United States. They have 42 states or regions or districts in ancient Egypt. So the number 42 is very significant. Okay, so try to practice. It looks easier than what it really is. You will get a workout. You will get a sweat from doing this practice. But it's not like you got to go through contortionist positions and put your legs behind your head and do a lot of things like that. And you're going slow. You're going slowly. So you're going to get the benefits of slow motion. You're going to get the benefits of concentration. You're going to get the benefits of focus. You're going to get the benefit of developing self-control. So continue to practice. 42 days of Ma'at Ka. After your 42 days are over, it should be totally made part of your existence, that you want to practice Ma'at Ka every day. And I want you to notice the quality of your day. The days that you practice, which should be every day, you should see yourself becoming more successful. You should see yourself accomplishing your goals that you set out for yourself for that particular day, because you're doing Ma'at Ka and you're setting yourself in order. You're setting yourself in balance. You're focusing your concentration. You're gathering your energy so that you can then focus it onto the task and the goals that you have for that particular day. Hotep, which means peace. Ankh Uja Saneb, which means life, health, and prosperity. Hotep.